Welcome back to CK Coin Value, your ultimate destination for discovering the hidden gems of the numismatic world. Today, we unravel the incredible story behind one of the most intriguing coins of the 20th century, the UK new penny coin from 1980. Prepare to be amazed as we dive deep into its history, its special features, and the staggering value it could fetch in today's market. Ladies and gentlemen, the 1980 UK new penny coin is not just a piece of currency, it's a piece of history. This coin was minted during a pivotal era in British coinage, just a few years after the decimalisation of the UK currency system in 1971. But why is this coin so special? Why does it stand out among millions of coins? Let's find out. The 1980 UK new penny was part of the decimal series introduced to simplify the British monetary system. Minted by the Royal Mint, this 1p coin features a crowned portcullis, a design that symbolizes strength and security. On the obverse side, you'll find the elegant portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Arnold Machin. This portrait is iconic, capturing the grace and authority of the monarch during her reign. The new penny series was minted to solidify the transition from the old pounds, shillings, and pence system to the decimalized format. It was a revolutionary step in modernizing British currency. The 1980 edition was produced in substantial numbers, yet only a fraction of these coins have managed to survive in pristine condition over the decades. What makes this coin truly unique is its condition and the lack of a mint mark. The absence of a mint mark means it was struck at the main Royal Mint facility in Llantrisant, Wales. Coins from this era are prized for their historical significance and their intricate design, which still holds up as a masterpiece of numismatic art. Now, let's talk value. A standard 1980 new penny coin in circulated condition might not seem extraordinary, but coins in uncirculated or proof condition can command significant attention in the collector's market. These coins are valued for their rarity, their immaculate condition, and their story. Some collectors are willing to pay up to $500 or more for a near-mint example, and the value only increases with higher grading and certification. Are you holding on to one of these coins? Check your drawers, your old wallets, and even your piggy banks. This could be your chance to turn an ordinary-looking coin into a lucrative investment. As more collectors join the hunt for rare British coins, the value of these new pennies is expected to soar. It's not just a coin, it's a hidden treasure waiting to be discovered. Will the 1980 UK new penny become one of the most expensive coins in the future? Absolutely. As interest in vintage British coinage grows, and as the supply of high-quality examples diminishes, coins like this are poised to become even more valuable. Hold on to yours or sell it to the right buyer at the right time to maximize its worth. So, what are you waiting for? Start your treasure hunt today and see if you have one of these valuable coins in your possession. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to CK Coin Value, and share it with your friends. Who knows? They might be sitting on a fortune too. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time with more exciting stories from the world of coins.